In reference to the economy and infrastructure main expenditure group, and that has one of the largest transfers of capital transfers, about 80.6 million, for example. The problem there, and it's a theme that was right at the heart of my friend, the leader of Plaid Cymru's recent speech in Plaid Cymru conference, which is, how can we actually see that there is an equitable distribution of investment across Wales, you know, a Wales-wide approach to government investment on the face of this supplementary budget? It's impossible to draw that conclusion based on the information that we've given, other than to say that actually of the geographically identified projects, over 95% of them are in Cardiff and South East Wales. We've had reference already to the rather curious additional preparatory funding for the M4 project in South East Wales, reference to Cardiff Wales Airport. There's a reference in the supplementary information to reserves being held back for the Cardiff City deal. There's the Eastern Bay Link Road. There's the International Convention Centre in Newport, and there is the Heads of the Valleys work up in Bryn So the only exception outside of South East Wales and Cardiff actually is half a million to Action Aid in Swansea and 4 million spread across Tata's sites throughout Wales. And I have to say to the Cabinet Secretary, it's simply not acceptable. It may well be that in the opacity of the supplementary budget, there are projects in North Wales and Mid and West Wales and in the valleys of Glamorgan that we don't know about. But that's the point. We don't know about them. We can't know about them based on the information that we have. And for those two reasons, the lack of transparency and the lack of evidenced equity of government investment across Wales, we will be voting against this supplementary budget.